Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the carving of maxillary second molar. So let's see. So these are the things we require. So first of all, mark 0.7 cm square on all the four sides of the block. And then mark the sides such as buccal, mesial, lingual and distal on all the four sides of the block. The occlusal table of the maxillary second molar is rhomboidal shape, so we will start removing the wax from the opposite two corners such that a shape of the rhombus will be formed here. Look it into the figure. So after this we will do the marking as shown here in the figure. This will help us to get the different size of the cusp, and then we will start making the slopes on the mesial and the distal edges so that we can get a height to our cusp. And then we will start making the triangular fossas on the slopes on the mesial and the distal sides. So now we will start making the grooves. So first on the distolingual side we will make a semicircular groove. It is almost C-shaped. Similar another C-shaped groove we will make on the mesiobuccal side. It is little bit bigger in size. So after we will start making the slopes on all the four cusps. We can see here a ridge is formed pointing towards the center, and two slopes beside it. Similar thing we will do on all the four cusps. Also on the oblique ridge we can see here. So now we will start making a transverse groove. We can see here in the figure that the transverse groove is not in a straight line, so we will make it little bit uneven. So make it carefully. So now we will extend the grooves a little bit more. We can see here on the buckle side a notch is formed. So make it accordingly. Also on the lingual side we can see here it is very small. So after this we will start removing the wax from the cervical region and make the edges smooth such that it gives a proper shape to our crown. So here the crown is almost ready. So now we'll start with the root. So first of all mark 1.2 cm another square on all the four sides of the block. And then on the lingual side we will do the marking for the root. Also on the mesial and the distal side we will mark and start removing the wax. So on the mesial and the distal side you will start making a hole. So for making it we have to move a carver in a rounded manner such that it will be easier to remove the wax. So we will also make the edges smooth and give a proper shape to our root, and then we will start similar thing on the buckle side. We will make a hole here and join the hole to the previous hole which we have made here. Move the carver in rounded manner. And then start making the two roots. We will give a proper shape to it. So now we will make the cervical line. Also remove a little wax below it, and then we will start polishing with the cotton. So do it carefully. So we can see here that the tooth is ready now. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Like the video and subscribe the channel so that you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you.